Now, imagine a business that requires no inventory, no startup capital, a business that partners you with bigger business companies, a business model that you can do anywhere in the world, a business model that offers life-changing cash flow. It is called affiliate marketing. It is free to use and you're marketing products and services that you are already using and you're already loving while you're getting a commission from those products with you just showcasing how you're using them, what you like about them, and plugging them on your website, on your social media platform. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process of how to become an affiliate marketer as a beginner with the step-by-step process. I'm going to share with you how to get started, the different affiliate marketing services that you can get started in, and how you really get started out and how you really get paid while providing these services. Now, let's jump right into it. Now, let's talk about how we can start making some money with affiliate marketing. Now that you know already what is affiliate marketing, I know you're excited to jump into this stream of income because I know you want to make money in your sleep. You want to make money on the beach while you're somewhere on the Caribbean, right? And you even want to make an extra stream of income with your full-time 9-to-5 job, creating an additional stream of income. Now, the first step you need to do is to identify your niche and identify your target audience. By identifying your niche and your target audience, you'll be more specific of the type of affiliate marketing programs that you can sign up to. Now, there are several different niches here in these social media streets. You see them on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all over, right? But just to name a few, there is the beauty niche, the lifestyle niche, the fitness niche, the coaching industry, business industry, passive income, digital marketing, food, beverage, small business ideas, entrepreneurship. There is a whole world of business niches that you can choose and select to start up with your affiliate marketing business. Now, for you, you have to know, identify your interests, your gifts, and your passions. What aligns with what your audience are looking for? What are the products and services that you are using and enjoying that you can now recommend to your target audience, your avatar, who are following you in the social media streets? Number 2 is now to find an affiliate network. Now, as I just mentioned, there are several different affiliate network partners. You will have to find the one that aligns with your niche and align with your target audience. Now, just to name a few, you know, the most popular ones that we hear all over here in these social media streets on YouTube is Amazon affiliate programs. Amazon has a whole lot of different ways of how you can make money with Amazon, right? But Amazon is not the only one. There's Impact. I use Amazon also. I use Impact also. Impact has several different business that you partnership. So rather than going out and signing up with, for example, you see them in my description below, instead of going and signing up with Shopify, then you're going to sign up with Canva. You're going to sign up with Teachable. You have all of these providers within Impact. So you just create your account with Impact, and when you get a commission from those products or services that you recommend, Impact then pays you. So that's how it goes. Those are the 2 main ones. As I mentioned, there are several different ones that you can go ahead and explore, even here on YouTube. I will do another video. If you're interested in that video on specifically around Amazon affiliate programs, then let me know in the comments here, and I will do a video of how to get started and the different ways how you can make money using Amazon. By the way, have you subscribed as yet? If you're not subscribed, how are you going to see this video when it drops? Go ahead and hit the subscription button right now so you can know, hit the bell so you can know when that video drops. So once you discover your affiliate network that you're interested in working with, now you're going to apply to become an affiliate of that company, of that business. Now, some will require for you to link your social media platforms so they can verify that you have a follower already and that you are somebody, legit person that you can promote and market their services to. So oftentimes they will require for you to link your YouTube channel, your TikTok, your Facebook, your website, so that to get valid proof that you actually have the potential to influence, to promote these services. Now it's time to market and promote these affiliate links. Now, where can you market and promote these links? I'm sure you're familiar with TikTok because you're here on YouTube. So you're in these social media streets, right? Have you ever seen those TikTok girls where they're unboxing stuff, where they're wearing, putting on makeup and they're showing the products and they're telling you that link is in their description, or they're trying on different outfits and they're telling you that if you like it, then comment below and they'll send you the link. Now, those are all different types of ways of how you can market and promote and share your affiliate links. Now, you have to present yourself in these social media streets, whether you like it or not. It's a passive income, but you can do it with your hobbies, with your passion, and do it with fun. So it's important to choose affiliate marketing programs that you are using on your day-to-day so you can actually talk about them and recommend them. So as I just said, if you have your TikTok, your Instagram accounts, those are the accounts, those are the websites, those are the ways that you're going to use now to market and promote your affiliate links. If you have a YouTube channel, then kudos. That's a second way of how you can do it. So whether in long form videos or short form videos, you will see, for example, my affiliate links. I plug them in here in my description. When I talk about different services, different products, I usually tell you to check it out in the description because I'm getting a commission when you sign up or you click the link, which we're going to talk about how you get paid later on. So with your YouTube channel, you can market and promote your affiliate links. Next up, if you have a blog, you can plug these affiliate links within your blog to showcase products and services that you recommend and that you use. I've seen influencers, they do short form videos, and with those short form videos, they also use it as a blog, also as a YouTube video. So they're driving multiple traffic sources to that one affiliate link, right? So say you're a mom blogger. You are on TikTok, you're promoting how you make quick and easy meals on TikTok. You're going to say, go to my link. Within that link, you're going to showcase all the products that you just use to cook those foods on your Amazon storefront. Then you're going to write a blog with all the different recipes that you just did, the menus, the stuff that you use, the utensils and all that stuff within that blog. So you see how you can use several different platforms to target and to promote different affiliate links, to showcase and to advertise different affiliate links. Now, if this affiliate marketing thing doesn't sound like your thing really, or you've already started it, but you're looking to start another side hustle with your 9-to-5 job, then check out this checklist here that I've created just for you with 50 different side hustle ideas. Yes, you will find, I'm sure that you will find one suitable for you using your gifts, your skills, your talents, and your expertise to make an additional stream of income, even with this affiliate marketing and while you're working your full-time job. So go ahead and check it out. I will leave it in the description below. Now let's talk about how do you get paid from these affiliate links. Now there are different ways and they are different amounts. So you can make as little as 20 cents from a click to as much as $25 from a sign up. So you can get paid whether somebody click the link, you can get paid whether somebody sign up to a subscription service. So say for like Teachable, ConvertKit, HubSpot, or one of those services, then I would get a commission from that. If somebody click a link on my affiliate, on my Amazon affiliate store on my website, then I will get a commission from that purchase. And that commission can be as little as 20 cents, 10 cents, $1, $2, $5. It all depends on the cost of the product, and you get a percentage from Amazon or from whichever affiliate marketing program you're using. But that just shows or compares the different marketing programs and the different amount of money that you can get as an affiliate marketer promoting. So if you're interested in a more detailed video of how to get started with Amazon affiliate marketing, then let me know in the comment and I'll do a separate video for you. Thank you so much, and go and check out all these other side hustle ideas here in this playlist.